Hello and welcome back to our channel. You are watching 6 well-known ways to straighten your hair naturally, part 2. As promised in our previous video, we are here to share our second homemade remedy for hair straightening with you, that is, hot oil treatment. For this remedy, you will need 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Now, what you have to do is combine the oils and heat the blend for a couple of seconds until it is slightly warm. Apply the oil to your scalp and hair. Once your hair is completely saturated with oil, massage your scalp for about 15 minutes. Leave the oil on for an additional 30 minutes. Then, wash your hair with cool water and mild sulfate-free shampoo. For best results, you have to repeat this method twice a week. Now the question is, how and why this remedy will work? So, here is the answer to the question. Castor oil conditions and repairs your hair like no other ingredient. It helps control frizz while leaving your hair feeling soft and hydrated. Using this ingredient helps smooth out your hair and add shine. In our upcoming video, we will share our third homemade remedy for hair straightening, and that is milk spray. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.